In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate a video with Sora using a single prompt. We'll walk through the process from start to finish, keeping it simple and clear. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find the right website, where to type your prompt, and how to submit it so the tool can do the heavy lifting for you. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type the word Sora and press enter. You'll likely see several results, so take a moment to identify the official Sora website. Look for a result that clearly references AI video generation or text-to-video capabilities, and be mindful of sponsored links at the top of the page, which might not be the tool you want. When you see the official site, go ahead and click it to open the homepage. Once you're on the Sora website, you should see a place to enter a prompt or some kind of text field designed for describing the video you want to create. That's where the magic happens. You'll type a clear and detailed description of the scene you want Sora to generate. Here's the prompt we'll use today. A realistic ring-style CCTV clip where a child on a suburban porch is approached by a large lizard until a brave cat leaps in to attack, sending the lizard fleeing as the time-stamped footage captures the startled but safe moment. Type that into the prompt box exactly as it's written. Specific language like ring-style CCTV, time-stamped footage, and suburban porch helps the model understand the camera look, the setting, and the overall tone, so you get something that feels cohesive and cinematic. A few quick tips as you write prompts like this. Aim for vivid descriptions that cover the camera style, the key subjects, the action that unfolds, and the mood or outcome you want. Words such as realistic, handheld, or wide shot can guide the visual style. If safety is important to the scene, say so, just like this prompt makes clear that the moment is startling but safe. When your prompt is ready, click the Submit button. The system will begin processing, and you may see a progress indicator or a short queue time. Keep the tab open while it works. Depending on server load and the complexity of your request, this might take a little while, so be patient. Once the generation completes, your video will appear for preview. And that's it. By going to Google, finding Sora, entering a clear prompt, and submitting, you've created a text-to-video clip with precise creative direction.